Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And, we look at the market share numbers that I've shown in the last video of the different versions of Windows 10. And we'll take this opportunity to talk about the October 2020 update specifically, as that's where we are now. And that's pretty much where the questions are coming or going to when I get questions from viewers. So we're at 8.8%. So let's round that to 9%. 9% of Windows 10 PCs now run version 20H2. So that's a very small number. So first of all, if you're still wondering, well, I got a new PC or I got a recent PC or whatever, and you say, well, how come I'm not getting this? Well, not a lot of people are getting it yet because only 8.8% of people have it. So don't worry, 90% of everybody out there is not there. There's this impression, I think, when we have new versions that people have the tendency, the impression that they're the only ones not getting it, or they're the only ones not getting the update to the latest version, when in reality, the majority of people are not there. So that's why you shouldn't actually go crazy. And, if you don't see it, you don't see it. It'll be there someday. Just hang in there. There's nothing wrong with your PC because you're not seeing 20H2 right now. As for the rollout speed, I get people asking me all the time, how fast is this rolling? Is it rolling slower or faster? And once again, most people are under the impression that 20H2, the October 2020 update, is rolling out much slower than previous release. Well, it's not the case. AdDuplex did, in their more detailed reports, they did say that at 8.8%, the 20H2 version, or the October 2020 update, is rolling out at roughly the same speed as the previous 2-3 releases of Windows 10. So it's not faster, it's not slower, it's on par in upgrade from the previous versions. On the other front is, of course, a lot of people are asking me, well, is 20H2 plagued with problems like 2004? And it's the questions all the time that come back. Just remember that 20H2 is 2004. It's the same as the May 2020 update. It's just a small cumulative package that actually turns on some features and tweaks a few things here and there, but that's not much more than that. So you're in fact running the May 2020 update when you're on 20H2. That upgrade is a small cumulative update. It's rolling out really well. And it doesn't take a lot of time to actually install it also. So if you see it and want to install it, I think it's probably one of the safest updates yet. And, you'll be at that 18-month cycle. So that means that if you do move on to that little cumulative update, if you're on the May 2020 update, you will be okay until, mid-2022 before you have to update to something else, so you'll have a full year without, being harassed or asked to move on or forced to move on to that other version. So, that's how it works. And basically, that's the way it goes. It's rolling out pretty much at the same speed. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.